friend! Welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, we'll be doing a quick flip through of our new fall 2025 scrapbook paper collection, Bunny Bakes and Pantry Tales. We're also holding a special subscriber giveaway, where one lucky subscriber will win a pack of this adorable whimsy fairy tale theme paper pack. You'll find links to our new fall collection and giveaway rules in the description area below. Good luck on the giveaway!
Decorate your life, make it beautiful and bright. With paper, lace, and lovely things, we'll craft it through the night. Decorate your life, Sandy's showing you the way. With pictorious ideas, giveaways, let's craft today. Today. So grab your glue and join the fun on decorateyourlife.com. We'll snip, we'll stick, we'll dream, we'll play, create some magic every day. Decorate your life, make it beautiful and bright. With paper, lace, and lovely things, we'll craft it